This is the installation of one of my daytime bright lights, LED puddle light, the one with the broken tab. It's completely removed. What I'm going to do to install it is apply 3 dabs of an automotive silicone-based adhesive, 3 pea-sized or less dabs on the edge. The first one is going to go into the tab that connects to the housing of the mirror, and then I'll have 2 more that'll be going on to basically evenly around it. I'm going to put on another dab there and another dab here. So as you can see, I've got small dabs all the way around. I'm only putting a few dabs on it because if I ever need to remove it again, it'll be very easy to do. So then I match up red tab to the hot. And black to black. Making sure that I put where the tab used to be up into, lined up with that where the tab had gone in, the notch. So I'll put it in just like that. Okay, a little bit of adhesive will ooze out, but this stuff is, you can rub it right off, so while it's still a little bit wet. And it'll stay somewhat like that, but what I'd like to do, just to make sure that it stays good and snug, is I'm using just a medicine cap. And I'm going to apply a little electrical tape, on it. Set it right up against the light. Pull one end up like that. Making sure that the cap is centered right over the bulb for the new light, LED puddle light. Good and snug. It's all good and snug, and it'll keep it tight up against it as the adhesive dries. Once it dries, you're never going to be able to tell that it had a broken tab, and it will not fall out. But what's nice, like I said, I only put 3 dabs on it. If you ever need to pull it out, it's just a matter of prying up into the notch and working your screwdriver around, and it'll pull right out. Thank you.